Since the end of March, some will know, some may not know that I got promoted from the rank of officer to the rank of corporal with my agency, and with that comes some bigger responsibilities. Um, with those responsibilities, I've been reassigned effective at the end of the school year. I'll be the traffic supervisor for the agency. However, I will also be the SRO supervisor for the SROs in the Aberdeen schools. So next week is my last full week at Aberdeen Middle. Along this journey 5 years ago, I've got to thank God, my wife and kids, my agency for their support and the flexibility to even let me start this Instagram account to stay in touch and communicate with the students from AMS and, of course, the students that moved on. This past Monday, no, a week ago Monday, Aberdeen High School graduated the class of 2021. That was my first year in the first group of 8th graders. So, yeah, that was special for me. I've got to thank the administration as well. I got to thank the administration of Aberdeen Middle School for their support. Miss Webb, Miss O'Hara, Mr. Blankenship, Miss Mock, Dr. Miller, who's there now. If I didn't say Miss O'Hara, Mr. Reimers, who was there my first 2 years. Trying to think, man, who else? Mr. Holly from Aberdeen High School, Mr. Quigg from the high school, all very supportive. But most importantly, I got to thank the students and their families for just being awesome. When you love your community that you live in, you work in, your kids go to school in, you're really in touch with the families. And a big part of being an SRO is getting to know the students, getting to know what makes them happy, what makes them sad, getting to know their families, and just being there for them. Not every police officer can be an SRO. You got to have patience, dedication, motivation, and I hope I brought that to the middle school students, their families, the administration, teachers, and staff. So yeah, I'll still be around. I'm still planning on to work the football games and basketball games at the high school. So yeah, you'll still see me around. But again, I just want to thank everybody for their support, their respect, and I hope that you saw that from me as well. Just want to reach out and it's a big shout out to Cyree, Orlando, Sincere. Man, there's so many students I can mention their names that have taught me so much. So thank you. And again, we'll see you around. Be safe, stay healthy. And for those who went to Aberdeen Middle School, remember, seek excellence, overcome challenges, accept responsibility, and respect yourself and others. So, thanks again, and we'll see you around.